Hey people, so I'm at this place called Arna Collections, which is in Sainik Puri, and take a look at this. Yeah, it's such a cute little store, and I have with me, what I've come to believe is that what sets one store apart from the other is the kind of the staff also there who make you feel welcome. Like I just came in to browse, but I made sure to buy something because I had Jesse with me, and yeah, so that's what for the more than 447 subscribers on my list. And really, people, this place is amazing if you want to pick up these, right from handbags to there's a lot of brass items and yeah, gift items mostly. But yeah, right from jewelry to sari and whatever. There's a lot of I would say a bit women centric, but beautiful. I mean, mostly it is actually if you are setting up home and you want to. Certain homes have that distinctive touch, right? So this is the place you all need to come. Yeah, I mean it is more or less. It's very different. I've lived in Hyderabad all my life, and it's not often that you come across a store like this. So this is called Arna Collections at Sainik Puri, and we have this other one gentleman with us, Mr. Akhil. So when you have helpful staff around, it makes all the difference. So people, if you all are in Hyderabad, this is one store you'll have to visit, simply since it is so unique. So Arna Collections at Sainik Puri it is. And on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.